Dear viewers, good morning and have a wonderful blessed day. Warmly welcome you on Agent Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. We create purely educational and informative videos for you. Today I show you how you can repair this handheld metal detector. This is MD300 handheld metal detector, and I show you how you can repair this faulty handheld metal detector. And I show you how you can easily remove the fault of this handheld metal detector. On the back side right here you can see the power rating mentioned over here, DC 9 volts power, 300 milliwatts, and the operating frequency is 22 kilohertz, and operating temperature is 0 to 40 degree. Battery 9 volt 6F22 type. And before starting the video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch more videos like this in the future. And you can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And at first, to check this handheld metal detector, at first we open this screw from here and attach this metal detector to the battery. And here this is the battery, and this is a standard 9 volt battery. This is the positive terminal of this battery, and this is the negative terminal of this battery, as mentioned here. As you can see clearly, the negative is mentioned here, and the positive, this one, you can see here on this point. At first we check this battery on the meter, and set your multimeter on the 20 volt DC. As you can see here, this is, I set this meter on the 20 volts DC range. And now put this negative black point, black probe on the negative, and red probe on the positive terminal. And as you can see, here is, I can show you in a close look because there is some reflection of light. You can see here now 9.69. The battery is in good condition, and look this, the battery is in the good condition. And now we insert this battery here in the battery jacks. Look this, put here and push a little bit to fix this battery, and fix this here in this slot. Now we check this. Now we check this handheld metal detector. This is the switch of this handheld metal detector. There are 3 positions here: audio mode, vibration mode, and off in the center. Push this switch to switch on this metal detector, but as you can see, no indication light here. Indication light is not glowing, as you can see. So this is a dead. And in the vibration mode also, this metal detector is not working. So this is a dead metal detector, and I show you now how you can repair this metal detector. At first, remove the battery from here, and as you can see, now put this here. And at first we open all these screws of this handheld metal detector to open this cover and to repair the circuit. At first we open all these four screws here on the handle, and this is the detection coil. This is the detection coil inside. When you put any metal close to this detection phase, this will beep or vibrate, anyone you choose, on the detector. So I have opened this all these screws, and like this, remove this plastic body and put this here. Here is, you can see again, a screw here to hold the plastic body and the circuit board. I remove this screw from here. Now separate this circuit board and the detection coil. So this is very simple. This is detection coil. This is a detection coil of this metal detector, and here you can see these are the capacitors, and here you can see tiny transistors, resistors, capacitors, and diodes, as you can see. And here is, this one is IC, and this is variable. This is 3 positions on off switch, and here you can see this one, this is a vibrator motor. This one, these are 3 capacitors. This one, this is the buzzer of this metal detector, and here this is, this one, this is the power cable or power terminal of this battery, for the battery of this metal detector. At first, now I show you, attach the battery here, and I show you is it working or not. And where is the problem in this metal detector? I show you. The problem in this metal detector, this was a dead metal detector, and at first we check this cable first. Put the meter in the correct position. Put your metal dial here on the continuity, or diode symbol is mentioned here. Look this, fix your meter here, and look this, continuity is working. At first we check the this power connector, power jack, is it yes, this is fine, and this terminal, this is also working. And where is the problem? Look this is directly powered on this switch. I think here, if I can show you, it is look this, if I can show you, at this point there is dry soldering here on the power switch. At first we remove this dry soldering, and then check again what is the result. And at first we solder all these 6 points of this power switch, and then check again the fault has been removed or there, then we move forward. Okay, at first we clean this switch, this on off switch. I clean this at first to eliminate or remove any dust or corrosion effects and any rust, dust or any other problem inside this switch. I use this WD-40, this one, to remove the corrosion effect of this. Now I clean this switch, apply a little bit WD-40 and rotate this switch. This is a slide switch, and slide this right left and to clean this switch. Now I clean this switch. Now put this here and remove all the dry soldering from here on the on off switch. All the points clear, all the points of the on off switch at first. Look this, these points were, these 2 points, dry soldering was here. Look this. And check all the points on this board. If any dry soldering there, you can remove at first. So this is the buzzer. Again you can check and remove all the dry soldering. These 2 points also dry solder. These are the holding points of the vibrator motor, and these are the power jack terminals, and here is, this is the LED terminals, and these are the variable points to adjust the sensitivity level of this metal detector. One thing I want to show you, this is the variable. You can see in this circuit, you can adjust the sensitivity of this metal detector. This metal detector sensitivity you can adjust from this variable. You can adjust according to your requirement, according to your need from this variable. So this is a point, key point of the metal detector, and now all the dry solder have been removed from this board, and now I attach this battery with the power jacks of this metal detector. Now as you can see, the light is on. If I can show you, the light is on. Look this. As I close, now I show you, put this here. This is audio mode now. Now I show you. Look this. This metal detector is working now. This is a detection coil or detection phase. When I put any metal or close to this phase or bring close to this detection phase, the metal detector will detect any metal object from this detection phase and beep. This is in the audio mode, and you can listen or hear you can hear a sound. Now this side, at this side, this is a vibration mode, and as you can see, the vibrator is, you can see a vibrator sound. If I can show you, the vibrator is in working condition. And now this metal detector is ready to use. And now I show you one thing. Look this. This is this is the sensitivity adjustment for this handheld metal detector, and I show you how you can fix and adjust the sensitivity of this metal detector according to your need or desire. I show you. Rotate this variable clockwise first. Now I am move this. Look this. This is the distance, and at here this metal detector will beep at this here. So this is the, I think this is the 4 inches distance. So this is detecting now, and now we rotate this variable to the clockwise. Now as you can see, this is the maximum sensitivity level of this metal detector, and you can set this where the beep is silent. Set this variable where the beep is silent to get the maximum sensitivity. Look this. As you can see, as the thing that I show you, now the distance has been increased, and too much distance has been increased now, and this is the sensitivity adjustment that I show you. Now we fix this metal detector and put this circuit board in the plastic body, and fix this metal detector again. Look this. Put this here, put this circuit board here, and fix this switch in the slot. Look this. And here is a screw, only one screw here to hold this circuit board on the plastic body, and we fix this screw here. Now this board is fixed on the plastic body. Now we put this here, clean this metal body to remove all the dust and other particles. Put this here and press a little bit at first. Look this. And this indication light must be in the correct hole, and push a little bit to fix this plastic body. And now this metal detector is fixed, and we fix these all screws here. At first 4 screws here on the handle, and look this. These are only 4 screws on the handle side, and 3 screws on the detection coil to hold and fix this handheld metal detector. So this is very good quality and very this metal detector is very cost effective, and working is also very good, and you can use this metal detector for the good quality work or quality detection. And now attach this battery on the battery jack. Put this, look this is the negative and this is, look this, male female. This cannot be reversed. You cannot fix this battery in reverse condition. Now you put this here and fix this screw here to lock the battery cover, and now this battery cover has been fixed. Now I show you how this metal detector is working. Look this is in the center. This is off now. As you can see, the indication light is off now, and now push forward to the audio mode. This light is on now. Close to the metal, and this is, as you can hear, a audible sound of detection. Now move this switch to the vibrator. Now this metal detector in vibration mode, and as I close this metal detector to the metal objects, as detecting this detection face any metal object, as you can hear vibration sound, and also you can see indication light here. Now this is detecting any metal object. So this is the video of today. This metal detector is ready to use now, and this is the video of today. And if you like our video and want to watch more videos like this in the future, please subscribe our YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch our videos in the future. And you can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Keep watching our channel. Till next, Allah Hafiz.